Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant high ping problem easy and quick. First click here and then type background apps, and after that just turn off this option and then go back and go to control panel. Before that you have to go to command prompt and now type here ping 1111 and then wait a few seconds, and after that try the next one, ping 8888, and then you have to make sure which one is running faster, and for me it's 8, so all you have to do just go back and go to control panel and then click view network status and tasks, and click on your connection here, click properties and then protocol internet version 4. Once you're here you will find it like that. Click use following DNS, and if it's if the 81 is running faster for you, all you have to do just type this code here. Wait. Like that, just copy this code and then click OK, and if 111 is running faster, all you have to do just copy this one and then click OK, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it for today's video.